In this demonstration, I'm going to show you another key feature inside of the DeckWorks Landmark product. Uh, just like our previous video, if you do not own the Landmark uh, add-on for Vectorworks, this video will not apply to you. Um, and if you're doing any type of hardscapes and plants, I highly recommend that you would upgrade to this product. But what you want to do is go to the bottom left corner of your screen. Typically that's where your tool sets is located. And you want to select the site planning icon down here. It looks like a bunch of trees. Inside of the site planning, your very first option should be Place Plant. Now once you select the Place Plant, you're going to get a dialog box that's going to allow you to pick a shrub or a tree or any symbol that you would want to use with. So we're just going to leave it on the default for this presentation. It's also going to tell you the spread and the height and the spacing for it. Once you press OK, we'll be able to actually place these plants on our screen. So up top you'll see several different icons. The first one is just a single plant placement. So as you click, it places a plant in that location very simply. Now the second option will keep you on a path. So as you click, you'll see that it'll keep everything horizontal with each other, and you would double click to end. The third option is a pretty cool one because it starts to take use of the information from the dialog box that we were just looking at. So as we click to start, you'll see that it'll continuously draw these plants. I'm not clicking for each one, it's just taking the actual spacing from the plant and applying that math to the run, and then we simply double click to stop. So if you have a long run of plants and you don't want to click each one, this is a great way to utilize that. Now there's another tool here, the very next one. When we actually start drawing our space, it's going to fill as many of those plants based off that plant's information that it can fit into that area. So if you have the back of a property and there's a wooded area and you just want to fill it up, or it could be something as small as a plant bed, that's a great tool to really help you out with that. And now the last option in here, as you see, it's very similar to the previous option, but it allows us to work on angles, and we'll go ahead and double click for that, and you'll see the placement of the plants, how they get inserted in there is slightly different. So if you have any other questions, you could visit us at www.designworkscompany.com or www.designworksco.com, or also feel free to phone in at 888-317-8426.